On April the 8th, 2012, Easter Sunday, I was sitting at home with my middle child, Keller, and Peyton was spending the night with a friend off because he wanted to hunt Easter eggs with his best friend. We got the call that he had been hit by a car. They wouldn't ever tell us anything, and about 15 minutes went by and this doctor came in and he knelt in front of me and told me that my baby was no longer with us. We never did really find out the whole story. My husband, Stacy, when he read the police report, he didn't really like what he saw. At that point is when we started talking with each other about calling someone. When we met Brad and Jesse, we knew we were going to stay with them. They wanted to help us get as many answers as they could help us get. That's what we really wanted, was answers. They treated us like they had all the time in the world. It was always like we were the most important people that they had.
Nobody wants to be in an accident. Nobody asks to get hurt. When you are, oftentimes you need help. My job is to make you whole. We're invested in our clients, and our clients are invested in us. They've entrusted their futures, they've entrusted their lives and their families' lives to us. It's part of who we are and what we do. When you call my office, you're going to get to speak with people that have been in this community for years and even decades. You're going to speak with somebody that's knowledgeable, that knows how to handle your case and knows how to get you to the right person. That's what we're here for. When making a decision about hiring an attorney, don't rely on a billboard or just an ad. You need to look into that person's credentials, what their clients have said about them, how they've treated those clients, and then just as importantly, the results. When you're injured and you're searching for an attorney, you need to make sure you know who you're hiring.
My brother told me about Mr. Brad McLelland, and I went over to his office and talked to him. After I gave them what they needed, I just sat back and let them handle everything. When I called them with questions, I would get an answer. If I needed to get something to this office, they would send Jessie by and she would come and get it with no problem. She didn't mind. I wasn't just a number, I was a person. It was a personal relationship. When I needed something, they were there.
The community here is small. Folks that come to see us are often my neighbors, and I'm going to make sure that we treat people right and that we do a good job for them. This is not just another case, it's somebody's life. I see the people of this community as part of my family, and my family means everything to me. This is why we're all doing what we do, and this is why I get up and come to work.